Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply pause account on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Tinder app on your phone. Once you have done that, make sure you have signed in as well with the correct account which you would like to pause. Now go ahead, tap on this profile icon in the bottom right, settings icon on top right, scroll all the way to the bottom, and now you won't find a pause option right away. For that, you have to tap on this option of delete account. Then you will find this option of pause account or need a break. Go ahead, tap on it. You can see you're on a pause and your profile is hidden now it's simply hidden. Your profile is simply hidden from the Tinder itself, and now you can simply browse through the way you used to do it before. If you simply want to jump back in, tap on this icon and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.